Ducati Multistrada 950, 2017 to 2021, review. One of the very best all-rounders out there. At a competitive £10,995 when launched and £11,995 in 2021, the entry-level Ducati Multistrada 950 is essentially very similar to the highly acclaimed 1200, but with a slightly lower spec and smaller engine. Take all the comfort and qualities of the 1200, reduce the level of gadgetry a little and add the 939 hyper-motored derived engine, and you're on to a winner, a less intimidating, easier to manage alternative to the pricey 1200 Multistrada. Those looking for a bit more luxury may want to consider the 2019 Ducati Multistrada 950S, but our favorite of the family remains the standard 950. Read on to find out why. Ride quality and brakes. The fully adjustable suspension with a side-mounted rear shock is obviously unique to the 950, with the showroom settings being on the comfort/soft side. The fully adjustable suspension has excellent ride qualities. It's easy to adjust the remote preload if you choose to add luggage or a pillion. But when you want to have some fun, it lacks the support of the 1200. The front end dives too quickly in the first quarter of the stroke. However, overall impressive, just don't expect the same level of performance as the 1200. Engine. The 937 hypermotor derived engine produces a quoted 113 brake horsepower at 9,000 rpm and 71 ft-lb of torque at its 750 rpm. The Multistrada engine is essentially the same as the hypermotored but with different intake, airbox, fueling and exhaust. The new 950 motor is smooth, effortless, and perfectly fueled at slow speed, but it's not thrilling. Even in sports mode it lacks any real get up and go. It's more than sufficient for fast overtakes and high-speed touring, even 2-up fully loaded, but I just wanted a bit more excitement. Ducati are synonymous with power, racing and speed, and the 950 lacks a little for the prestigious badge it proudly wears. Reliability and build quality. The level of finish is high, as are the quality of components, like Brembo controlling the braking in partnership with Bosch. Reliability shouldn't be an issue and class-leading service intervals are huge, every 9,000 miles. Our Ducati Multistrada 950 owners' reviews show mainly positive comments, although there are a few concerns about a grabby clutch and corrosion. Value versus rivals. When new, the 950 came in at £2,700 less than the base Multistrada and £5,700 under the sporty 1200s, which was a huge saving considering they share so many similarities. Equipment. Considering the relatively low asking price of just below £12,000, the spec sheet is impressive. The clocks are related to the 1200, just a slightly lower spec and the same switchgear as the new Monster 1200. There are 4 rider modes: Sports, Touring, Urban and Enduro, which automatically change the power and engine characteristics along with the ABS and traction control. Ducati have kept their unique Ducati safety pack, which includes 3-way ABS and 8-way traction control. There's fully adjustable suspension front and rear, a manually adjustable screen and impressive Brembo stoppers at both ends. Specs. Engine size 937 cubic centimeters. Engine type 8V Desmodromic L-twin 2-cylinder, 6 gears. Frame type Trellis. Fuel capacity 20 liters. Seat height 840 millimeters. Bike weight 204 kilograms. Front suspension KYB $48 million forks, fully adjustable. Rear suspension Sachs single side mounted rear shock, fully adjustable with remote preload. Front brake 2x300 mm semi-floating discs, radial Brembo 4-piston caliper. Rear brake 265 mm disc, Brembo 2-piston caliper. Front tire size 120/70x19. Rear tire size 170/60x17. MPG, costs and insurance. Average fuel consumption 48 miles per gallon. Annual road tax £101. Annual service cost £270. New price. Used price £6,600 to £9,500. Insurance group. How much to insure? Warranty term. Top speed and performance. Max power 113 brake horsepower. Max torque 71 ft-lb. Top speed 130 miles per hour. A quarter mile acceleration. Tank range 211 miles.